winter storm warning in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. What? Heavy snow. Additional snow accumulations between 3 and 5 inches for a storm total of 6 to 10 inches. Where? Central Piscataqui and northern Penobscot counties. When? Until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Impacts plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday evening commute. A winter storm warning for snow means severe winter weather conditions will make travel extremely dangerous. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for Maine can be obtained by going to newengland511.org.